So it is expected that federal fund rate might remain the same, 4.25, 4.5. And we're going to be watching and listening to what will be the next FOMC minute and statement accompanying it for forward guidance. But at the moment, if you go back to my last analysis on the dollar index DXY, I made mention of a potential recovery into 103. And we have seen the renewed dollar interest and renewed buying, and the 10-year Treasury bond yield also rising simultaneously alongside the dollar index, which is a measure of a US dollar when you compare it to other six major currencies. And we have seen that DXY is rising alongside the 10-year Treasury bond yield. And this renewed optimism in economic resilience in the United States is welcoming, as we have seen the ADP data and GDP data coming in. It's a sign of hope that better days are coming. So we might likely have the fund rate remain the same. If the fund rate remain the same, then all eyes will be on September. And the next thing we are going to see is a potential cap where I have seen price draw liquidity in the past here, creating a supply roof 1. We have here supply roof 2. We have here supply roof 3. And we return here supply roof 4. And based on price movement, it is expected that we could have a potential correction into this zone and will continue updraw. So here remains a potential buy floor, a very strong demand floor that I think, based on price movement, will not be violated. So if we do not violate this level, then on technical, price will keep course, and we'll continue to see some kind of bullish buyback, and we'll continue to see price move in that direction. So let's see if we pull back into the zone, then we'll move further where we align with this ascending trend line. After here, we'll have a break of structure. We'll have here a retest. And if we come back here, we could technically see some kind of reaction at this level. And it will be a make or break situation. But my goal is to see that the dollar recovered at 103, 104 level. And this is most likely what we'll see as price continues to make swing. Here is a pivotal moment where we'll watch due to the price action at that level. We're also going to be watching here on a potential price reaction on 3 hours. And as we are approaching that level, I want to see how buyers and the sellers settle their differences at this level, that is at 102 level. And a break above this level might open a new wave of buy, which will technically push price into 103, 104, 105 zone. So it's likely that the monthly time frame demand floor, which I earlier posted on 13th of this month, about dollar potential monthly support structure, and that analysis have been upheld, and we have seen that economic data unfolding have favored the dollar and the 10-year treasury bond yield, and we could continue to see this year. And such a change in trade dynamics has affected Euro USD, AUD USD, GBP USD, USD CAD, USD ZAR, NZD USD. Go back and check their price action. They are feeling the effect. So as long as we continue to make this upward move, we have no other option than to continue to follow the index, as the index remains our litmus test for buy sell in the financial market. As the day closes, take time to reflect on what you have done today, what you achieved today. Take time to reflect on your trading strategy. Is it worth sticking to, or is it worth bringing in a new strategy? If it's worth sticking to, stick to what you're doing and continue to do your best. That the financial market, it's more of an educational series, and everything you know about trading is 100% probability. Do have a good day. Bye bye.